This is Jetson Nano. This board using for many different applications that you want to run on NVIDIA devices. And this Jetson Nano is here. This is a full board that for development, and it has a lot of different ports. The main chip in this area, as you can see in the images, but this is the full board for the development. It has a 4 USB, HDMI and other port. So the Jetson Nano can support up to 0.5 terabyte and very small in size. Jetson, it has a different version, different board and different chip, and each one has a different architecture for the NVIDIA chip inside. The cheapest and lowest version is Jetson Nano. After that, Jetson takes 2 series. It has a 1.3 teraflops, and after that Javier and AGHs, and Jetson Orion, and also it has several other methods. The latest version that NVIDIA this year introduced is Jetson 12. This one has up to 2000 tops, and it has a full package. If you see the technical details about this one, it has a 2 model, Jetson t5000 and 4000. You can see the differences for each of them, and this version up to 128 gigabyte RAM. It's very useful. And if we go for the more detail, you can see for the camera, I'm working for multi-camera calibration system, and when you have lots of camera connected to your devices, syncing between them is critical, and it has a lot of knowledge to work with that, especially for the programming, multi-threading, multi-buffering, and different type of methods that we need to run and use. Yeah. We can see here all technical things. For the camera here, you can see the camera connection for these devices. Can support up to 20 camera virtually and 6 camera by MIPI, and it has a different port that support huge gigabit per second that's able you to connect many devices and many camera into this board. Video encode here I mention up to 20 cameras via HSV, up to 6 camera through 60 lane MIPI, and up to 32 cameras using virtual channels and other stuff. So it makes a very usable smart devices for your application.